κινητικότητα τέτοιων μεγάλων γκρουπ με αντιπρόσωπο τον κύριο Γιάνγκ. Δηλαδή υπάρχουν μια κίνηση και μια ζήτηση πολύ μεγάλων τέτοιων γκρουπ που έχουν.
搭建希腊全境商贸流通、外资引进、进出口合作的核心平台。我们中国企业家此行正是渴望深度了解希腊本土市场的真实需求。
Πέρα από αυτό, επικαιροποιεί το κοινό μας όραμα για την ανάπτυξη και τη συνεργασία μεταξύ των λαών μας για την αξιοποίηση όλων των συγκριτικών πλεονεκτημάτων που η θέση μας προσφέρει εντός της Ευρωπαϊκής Ένωσης και στο επίκεντρο της Ανατολικής Μεσογείου.
Τελείω ότι έχουμε κάνει πολύ μεγάλες προσπάθειες με την δική σας την χώρα. Μάλιστα πριν περίπου ένα μήνα βρισκόμασταν στην Σανγκάη ακριβώς για αυτό το λόγο, προσπαθώντας να ενδυναμώσουμε την μεταξύ μας σχέση μεταξύ Ελλάδος και Κίνας. Η πρόθεσή μας είναι να φέρουμε ένα πολύ μεγάλο κομμάτι του δικού σας πολιτισμού στην Ελλάδα, να το παρουσιάσουμε.
To spread our brand to all the world, especially to the Greece.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you
very
very
much.
much. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
若您结识更多希腊优质的企业。
Guangzhou Bingo Inflatables Company Limited, a professional inflatable manufacturer located in Guangzhou, China. We specialize in producing inflatable advertising products, commercial decorative inflatables, and custom inflatable displays for global clients. Our factory is equipped with 3 advanced production lines, allowing us to manufacture large quantities of inflatable products every day, ensuring stable supply for international orders. Bingo Inflatables has a professional design and production team, including 6 experienced R&D engineers with university degrees. With strong engineering capability, we can develop new custom inflatable products in as fast as 7 days. We provide comprehensive customization services including OEM and ODM logo printing, label and packaging, custom colors and sizes, graphic design, material replacement. Our goal is to help clients create unique inflatable products tailored to their brand and projects. Quality is always our priority. Our dedicated quality control team carefully inspects every product throughout the production process using advanced equipment, such as precision cutting and sewing machines. With 13 years of export experience, we serve clients worldwide, especially in North America, Western Europe, and Northern Europe. Our products are widely used by brands, retailers, wholesalers, engineers, manufacturers, and event organizers. We are committed to providing reliable after-sales service, and our engineers are available for on-site technical support when required. Our products are certified with CE and EN 71, reflecting our commitment to international quality and safety standards. Through continuous innovation and cooperation with industry partners, Bingo Inflatables has become a trusted inflatable supplier worldwide. Bingo Inflatables, your reliable partner